G'day and welcome to Nature with Ieve Stirwin. Today we're going into Toronto's ecosystem. A vast variety of strange creatures and animals. Now, before we go any further with our show, I just want to introduce one of my trusted assistants. He's one of the locals, agreed to come on with my journey to Toronto. His name is Flower. Come here, Flower. Oh, I'm sorry, he's deaf mute. He's also blind. It's pretty hard to get him right. Okay, Percy. Percy! Okay. Now, Percy, I want you to inspect that. Go. What we're looking for here is a rare oak bush, only found in Toronto, and even there's only a select few. This, so rare. Now, oh my god, what is it? It's an oak bush! Only 3 in the world and we found one right there. My god, these are so rare. They have special healing powers. Like, unlike no other. You're dead, it can heal you back from life, man. Now, the Toronto ecosystem, it's a very, very quiet type of city. Unlike most cities that start with the letter T. It's a very quiet one, it's very peaceful. Like, there's so much here that just makes me feel so wonderful. Now, we've stumbled across an emo. Not to be confused with the emu, a large flightless bird. Now, this is a rare specimen to the rest of the world, only found in Toronto and in some parts of Europe. Now, it looks to be in complete solitude. It doesn't like the rest of the world. It's very, it likes to be by itself, likes cutting it for its life, so very weird. I hate them, they suck. But I'm going to try and interview one of them. Excuse me. I'm not trying to hurt you. I just want to interview you. I'm looking for a TV show. It's the Ieve Stirwin show. That's me. And this is my idiot. Excuse me, miss. I'm not trying to hurt you. I just want to interview you. I'm for a show.
Don't hurt me. My life is already filled with pain.
What? Could you tell us a little bit?
Don't you think I've suffered enough?
Yes, that's why we want to interview you. Because you suck.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Percy, go talk to her. Jesus Christ, Percy. Percy, come on, just tell us a little bit about yourself. I mean, about your troubles, how you like finding yourself, the music.
My life is pain. My life is pain.
Yeah, you said that quite a lot now. Now, what about your life? Why is it pain? Why is it pain?
Can't you see? Life is pain, just people are too stupid to realize it.
Well,
I sit here and I wallow in the sad truth that is life.
Well, I mean, I have a mansion down in Australia. I mean, I have lots and lots of money. It's great. I love it.
I live in a shack. I live under a bridge. I live in my pain. My pain is my only home.
Why don't you just get a mansion?
Why?
Why?
I'm not...
You can tell the lights.
My iPod's on, I can't hear you. Let me listen to my emo music.
Oh, stupid idiots. Come on. Because that emo was an asshole and I hate her, she sucks. Okay, anyways, right. So, we stumbled across another one. This is very special. This is very special that you see. This is the emo's mating call. She cries for hours, maybe she even cuts herself, and waits for her love, the true love to Roy. Now, as you can see there, they usually wear black eyeliner, very dark now. They usually wear sweaters around hoodies to hide their face from the rest of the world. If they don't have a hoodie, they use that hat. It's called a fringe. I hate it. It sucks. It's disgusting. I mean, why? Really? Okay, anyways, great. So, they will wear sweaters, usually either very black or a scarf. Oh, look. The emo's mating call has been answered by a fellow emo. It's the asshole from the bar. Next. Oh, they call together. Oh, this is beautiful.
Cause a long night means a fist fight against your pillow and my pearly whites. I wanna hear you.
Alright, the emos have gone off to find a more abysmal place than even Starbucks coffee. You can see them, the tight pants, very tight, like a tiger. They're like thin tight, they just can't move in them. They've gone up to the tree, oh, this is amazing, come, press it. Now this is a very special moment. Look down the tree. It's just a poet's tree. It's amazing. Going through history. Lewis and Clark came here in 1979, first founded it, and then Bob McGinty came here in 1680. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. But anyways, look, it's very special. It's so emotional. Well, it would be emotional if they weren't so stupid.
No one understands my pain. Except for you.
Now that we've left the emos, we're going to find a new breed of animal. They are the arch rivals of the emus. Well, emos. Emos are a very large, flightless, stupid bird. But the emos, right, yeah, so we're going to find them. Often satanic. I hope we don't find those, because they are very, very dangerous and life-threatening too. Like I have my assistant. About to enter the cave. It must be very, very careful. Very, could be dangerous. Yeah, I'll say this. Be very, very careful. Come on. We gotta find. Oh shit! Oh shit! Look, animalism. Oh, look at that! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh shit! That was a close one. They're so vicious. Oh, I mean, it's just too dangerous to even, like, try again. Oh, Jesus Christ, they're coming! Run, retard! This is all that Percy. My beloved retard. I need him for the ratings! God damn it, why do you have to... Oh, Emos! What the bloody hell do you want now?
Well, since we didn't die, well, you know, maybe we think you can die. You are doing.
It's so cold tonight, we're going nowhere fast. Can you wake up, let's burn this whole place to the ground.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feel, and I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above, and the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain.